Compare the intercepts of the functions y1, y2, and y3 by analyzing their graphs and tables. Okay, let's first look at the graphs. So looking at the x-axis, we're looking if any of the three lines cross the x-axis. And they do, and they appear to all cross the same point where x equals 0. And so our x-intercept will be 0, and then notice there our y value is also 0. And so then when we're looking at for the y-intercept, notice that none of the lines cross except for at 0. And so for the x-intercept and the y-intercept, then we have the same value for all of them, which is 0, 0. And so let's look and see if the table matches that. So we see we have different x values and y values here. So we want to know when x is 0, that's going to be the x-intercept. And we see that we do have values for that, and at each of them it's y equals 0. And so again, the y-intercept and x-intercept are the same here, and it's 0, 0 for all three functions. And you see that, going up when x gets bigger, then we see that our y gets bigger on all three functions, and then going as x goes more negative, then y gets smaller. Now, it's not going to hit the x-axis again from the trends of these. And so we can go ahead and just, summarize here and say the x and y intercepts are all the same, 0, 0. These values are seen in the table and also in the graphs, where each function crosses both the x and y axis at the origin.